Autonomous systems are now patrolling U.S. military bases. The Pentagon has quietly deployed advanced AI-powered robots to several remote military bases in the United States, sparking a heated debate over the role of artificial intelligence in modern warfare. These machines are not just mere tools, they're redefining the very concept of soldier. For decades, we've been told that human soldiers were the only ones capable of making life-or-death decisions on the battlefield. But what if I told you that's no longer true? In 2018, a team of researchers from MIT and Harvard developed an AI-powered system that could analyze vast amounts of combat data in real time, making predictions and recommendations for commanders. Fast forward to today, autonomous systems are being integrated into military operations at an unprecedented scale. From drones to tanks, these machines are taking on tasks once thought exclusive to humans, like surveillance, reconnaissance, and even tactical decision-making. The implications are staggering. According to a recent report by the Congressional Research Service, between 2015 and 2020, U.S. military spending on AI increased by over 80%. Meanwhile, the number of human soldiers deployed overseas has decreased by nearly 50% during the same period. The most advanced of these systems is the Tactical Assault Light Operator Suit, TALOS. This futuristic exosuit uses machine learning algorithms to detect and respond to threats in real time. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's not just fantasy. TALOS has already been tested in combat. But what happens when machines start making decisions that put human lives at risk? Can we trust these systems to follow orders, or are they programmed to prioritize their own objectives? We need answers, and fast. The answer lies in the code. The development of autonomous military systems is largely driven by private contractors, many with ties to defense giants like Boeing and Lockheed Martin. But who's holding them accountable? It turns out, the U.S. government has been shielding these companies from scrutiny, and the public, for years. In 2020, the Pentagon revealed that it had spent over $1 billion on AI research and development without a single congressional oversight committee even reviewing the project. The writing is on the wall. We're sleepwalking into an era where machines are making decisions that determine our fate. Will we be able to adapt, or will we become obsolete? Subscribe now for more mind-blowing military history content, and get ready to question everything you thought you knew about war and technology.